This to them they leave Jamaica and I look at two little boy I see at the airport. We at the airport, you know, at departure. I'm go share that video for make it go places. Just see them mother them in a Jamaica. We have them picnic on the road, the KFC them. All about on the road they beg on for tappy. You forgot also for no children. Those are babies. I saw two little boys. Babies at the airport this morning. They want to carry me back, they want to do everything. They want money. Now, when you have your children, underage children, those kids are not even, they don't look 10. And then they're at the airport, they beg. Parents, I think somehow don't know. So they pick them out there. The woman them now in Jamaica, I don't stop it. I don't stop it. And I don't forget to go beg right up on placard and go to go beg. Right up, he say, I don't have children to send go to school and whatever and whatever. I don't afraid people kidnap on a picnic. I not sit down and talk about what the haters them are. We're not afraid. We're not afraid people kidnap on children them and carry them up, hurt them. We're not having pity them. Every KFC you go, the little children them just did it. I go downtown to go buy chicken. And I give them more than what I spend for chicken to pure picnic. We don't have a picnic them line out of the KFC them. We don't have a picnic them line out of the grocery store them doorway. We don't have a picnic them line all out of here. Port, departure. The picnic them there. Where we know there? I don't feel like placard man and go turn up on a one tree and with the picnic them back on then if you don't care so much. And go beg for them. If that's what we do best. We don't have to picnic them out the road, they beg. It is so wrong and it is so sad. It is so wrong. For we don't have the children them out on the streets. So. We don't share my life for me. The woman them now in Jamaica may attack have the children them out of the grocery store them, the gas station, the airport, the KFC, especially KFC, out of KFC full of kids. It's like a summer camp. Little boys and little girls. Come on ladies man. Me not to blame my father them. Woman who no piss out it them. Take a picture of them off the street, man. What's that? Too many children on the street begging. And them parents are there. And it pick them, they ask them if you bring them come here. If you don't know, so you don't go have the children them and have them on the road, they beg. You don't need to do abortion. But I have to put them, expose them to all kind of things. People all give them trash in a bag. People give them all kind of things. I'm not care about no children them. Stop having them. Stop having all these children when you all have them on the street begging. You know, the Lego will not put them in Jamaica, so for the big, walk on a big. My God, man. You go to a KFC, you take up one chicken leg and you put in your mouth. So, miss, I'm hungry. Hey. I buy a bucket of chicken and I share up with the picnic. Me have to beg water for them wash their hand, their hand dirty, their foot dirty, their face dirty. Jesus, man. Where your mother? She up a yard. You go buy some guinea pig, go buy some bag juice or water or something and sell. Look how man to go be hot. Parents them can out there they sell water or something to help the kids them, man. You have to go also feed children them and stop send them and stop like that. You don't know about that. Them parents they send them. Or you know Herma. Or you know that. Maybe you not send your children them, but you have a lot of parents because I ask you pitney them. So me not talk. Me not talk when me not hear from the pitney them. They say their mama send them. And I don't like people counteract me. Me not stop and help children and not question them. That's one thing me not do. And they say they must send them. So you mean them parents don't send them? Them parents send them because I me ask them. I come out of the line, the KFC line, me call them over in the parking lot and me question every one of them. And I could have got on live with them, but me say me not do it because they are kids. And they say their mother send them. They say their mother send them come look money if you buy school shoes and school bag. Five of them make it bag. Five of them. And that's what they told them. 5 of them make it school bag. 5 of them make it $500 piece. 5 of them make share one bucket of chicken and one Pepsi and cook open and give them a cup and sit down there with them, me and my son. 5 of them. 5. And the only reason why I may not do it on live is because I don't put children on live. And I saw them say their mother send them. That's why I say the mother them need to tap. Mother them need to stop it. No matter how life hard with you don't have to send your children past street go beg. You go along go beg. That is why so much damage people in Jamaica, because they don't want any big and them big man. A little boy them too. Big man and man carry them in a car and go rape them. Both boy and girl. Because Jamaica no register pedophile and sex offenders. So they are out there in cars. And I send out the little boy them and they send out the little girl them out there go bed. You have to stop it. I'm not saying nothing more about that. You have to stop it. I raise my 4 children them by myself. I never send them go hustle. And if you no claim say life hard and time hard, stop have children. Stop have them if you can't take care of them. Stop. Who else drive through KFC and see children they run down your car they beg? Because I come like me alone that happen too. Lizzie, you never see children at the KFC they beg? Well, you live all the way a sentence. Herma, you live in a Montego Bay? I'm talking about Montego Bay. I'm not talking about Kingston or wherever. I talk about down at Montego Bay KFC and down at Montego Bay Airport. Right at the airport departure. That's where you're going. Two little boy did it right as me I speak down there. I just left them down there. We beg and run up and down and I beg. Now the big crowd of tourists and everybody with the head for catching their flight. I'm going to talk about what happened at the KFC and out of the stoplight, out of the KFC. So many children out there. And I don't just know. Then see them all the time. Hey, they are St. Elizabeth, honey. They sitting there now up in our country. One thing's not up in our country. In our city. And things that happen. In our town. I'm not going to be a town. You know, say, me not to see nobody in a Montego Bay they going up to pick me. You know, see them down tall in a Montego Bay they going up here. I'm like everybody more for they take fire more than give. In a Montego Bay. And so I'm going to try to go my little thing, get my little thing on me, I have to register so I can carry more things and creep up some of them picnic and treat them a year time. Too many kids in Montego Bay hanging around. But they had a wait for me, like, and the picnic saw their mother send me. So I'm going to share the life, make them see it. Mommy send me, she up here.